Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Now we need to distribute the power for this one and this one in here. So number 2 with 3 over 2 in here, we multiply the power. And this one we have number 3. Next, we have the second one. Now, we can apply this one for this one. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So if we do first derivative of this one, we do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So we can apply this one in here. And now we have like this. Oh, sorry. It should be like this. Later that we do first derivative of this one. Now we can apply the power rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to a to the power of n. If we do first derivative of this one, that should be like this. Now, for this one, we have 3s to the power of 3 minus 1. The next one in here, we have negative 3 over 2, 4 minus s to the power of negative 3 over 2 minus 1. And later that, we do first derivative of 4 minus s. This one, we have number 2. This one, we have negative 5 over 2. Now, if we do first derivative of 4 minus s, this one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. This one, we have number 1 with the negative in here. So we have negative number 1. Negative, negative, we have positive. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.